Protect your vehicles and keep them running in pristine condition with DFW Synthetics Independent AMSOIL Dealer, the dealer for the world's best synthetic oil. Our team of nationwide AMSOIL dealers and retailers is always growing and expanding throughout the U.S. and Canada. Whether you're stocking on products for personal use or looking to join our retail installer program or our commercial program, DFW Synthetics is your AMSOIL solution. As nationwide AMSOIL dealers and your local Dallas-Fort Worth dealer, we're ready to work with you. With a master's degree in engineering and more than 23 years of AMSOIL products application experience, Raj is ready to help anyone across the U.S. and Canada. Ready to receive massive savings? Through us, you can join the AMSOIL Preferred Customer Program, Retail Installer Program, and Commercial Program. AMSOIL solutions are available for cars, trucks, motorcycles, 2- and 4-stroke equipment and power sports, ATV, UTV, heavy-duty power equipment. Always use dealer number 1583995 to get your discounts. Start working with nationwide AMSOIL dealers by going online to dfwsynthetics.com or call 214-909-0994.